Hi there, students. Ongoing and underway. What's the difference? Well, the first difference, ongoing is an adjective and just an adjective. Whereas underway, you could look at it as an adverb or as a prepositional phrase. Some dictionaries say an adjective, but I'm not very happy with that. Okay, if something is ongoing, it's happening now. If something is underway, it's happening now. But there's a big difference. If you say something is underway, you've said it has started. Whereas if you say something is ongoing, it's continuing. It probably started quite a long time ago. So, the change is finally underway. Yeah, they are implementing the changes. They have started to do it. Changes are getting underway. Whereas changes are ongoing, you've already started and they are continuing. Yeah, it's not something you started 5 minutes ago. Ongoing is continuing to exist, continuing to develop. Yeah, so an ongoing process, an ongoing project, an ongoing campaign. It's continuing. An ongoing challenge, an ongoing commitment, an ongoing controversy. This is something that started well in the past, and it is continuing. It's been happening for quite a long time, and it seems like it's going to continue for quite a long time in the future. If something is underway, it has already started. It's started. So an investigation is underway. Yeah, we've started the investigation. The film was well underway when I arrived. Notice this, well underway, a nice collocation. It had started quite a long time ago. But underway, this is talking about it has started. Whereas ongoing says it is continuing. Yeah, and I think that's the major difference between the two. So the negotiations are ongoing, they're continuing. Negotiations are underway, they've started. So you can also get something underway. We need to get this lesson underway. Okay, we've said hello and you've all sat down. Now it's time for me to get the lesson underway. Or for the lesson to get underway. The lesson got underway. It started, it started, and then ... Okay, so ongoing. This is a current situation belonging to the present time. Yeah, it's continuing, it's developing, it's advancing, it's progressing, it's proceeding. Yeah. Okay, there is ongoing debate about this. Yeah, it's continued. This is an ongoing problem. Finance is an ongoing problem for the company. Constant, relentless, continuing. Yeah, it doesn't seem to stop. It seems to be unceasing. Yeah, ceaseless. And then underway, something that's underway is something that has just started. It's something that has just begun. So again, in progress, but started, getting started, begun, in motion, in operation. Yeah, but this implies much more recently. Okay, so we need to get this underway. Let's see, you can get a journey underway. Yeah, to begin a journey. After we got underway, I felt more relaxed. After our trip was underway, we started. Yeah, Once our trip was ongoing, once our trip was continuing, I don't think I would probably use ongoing for a journey. Maybe, but not really. Okay, so that's the big difference between the two. Let's see. Formality, underway, ongoing. I think I would give both of these 5.5 to 6 in formality, use anywhere. A touch on the more formal side. And let's see, as to underway, okay, a ship is underway. Okay, here the way is talking about making a journey. Yeah, it's on its way, it's happening, it's moving. From Old English weg, from Proto-Germanic wegaz, yeah, or Proto-Indo-European weg, talking about your way, your route, your path. And then ongoing, this comes from going on. Yeah, this is going on, it's continuing. Yeah, he went on, he continued to talk, and that's the idea of ongoing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Underway and ongoing.